urgent weather message. For the following county, Ashtabula, Ohio. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 392, effective until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following county, Ashtabula, Ohio. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 392 has been issued until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county, Ashtabula, Ohio. The forecast. The urgent weather message for the following county, Ashtabula, Ohio, and Crawford, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for East Central Ashtabula County in northeastern Ohio, western Crawford County in northwestern Pennsylvania, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles northwest of TimeXD North, or 14 miles south of Conneaut, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Pymatuning North around 3:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Linesville and Pymatuning Central around 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Harmonsburg around 3:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Conneaut Lake, Conneautville, Conneaut Lakeshore, Pierpont, and Springboro. The urgent weather message for the following.
Oh, we got on the TV, guys. Oh, you're not even going to play it?
On your back, fuzzy bubbles on your head. Toss them, catch them, stack them, roll them. Kitty monkey, unicorn, and a puppy piglet. The wobble filled pets. Which one you gonna get? Make your fuzzy bubble in your choice of 6 cuddly characters for $19.99 plus free shipping. You can check it all out at WillFalls.com. Must be 18 years or older to order.
Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Geauga, Lake, Medina, Portage, and Summit. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 393, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio, Geauga, Lake, Medina, Portage, and Summit. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 393 has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Geauga, Lake, Medina, Portage, and Summit. The National Weather Service forecast office in Cleveland. Voice of Life. locations that will experience flooding include Meadville, Titusville, Cambridge Springs, Linesville, Riceville, Harmonsburg, Lincolnville, Canandaigua Lake, Guys Mills, Pymatuning North, Pymatuning Central, Pierpont, Sagertown, Conneautville, Huttown, Springboro, Blooming Valley, Townville, Spartansburg, and Venango. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Ashtabula,